Hello traders. In this video, I will discuss two opportunities, one in JSW Steel and next opportunity we have in Bajaj Finance. So let's discuss first trading opportunity in JSW Steel. I'm watching this counter since April month only, and you can see this is hourly time frame. The graph is completely sideways. Price was moving completely sideways, and this range was about 40 points. So around 597, the stock was taking support. JSW Steel in hourly time frame. 640, around 640 level, the price was facing resistance. But finally, price has given a breakout. You can see it happened on 22nd April. So this candle is a breakout candle. Let's look at what RSI is doing. RSI is also trading well above 60. So we can expect the counter to test 680 level in coming trading session. As I told you, the range is 40 points. So above 640, I'm expecting it can test 680 level. Now, what can be the stop if you are trading, if you are planning to take a trade? So let's go to 15 minutes time frame and find out what can be the stop loss level for this counter. Okay, now you can see before giving a breakout, stock has formed a good base here. So what we can do, we can take a stop loss level as 629. Okay, 629 can be the stop loss, and target you can look for 680. Right now the counter is trading at 643 rupees. The only risk is that if we get a fall in market, there is a possibility our stop loss may hit. Otherwise, metal sector is doing good in today's trading session. If I show you the top gainers, you will find we have a Tata Steel, JSW Steel under top uh, 10 gainers in today's session. So this is the top gainers list. You can see we have a Tata Steel, and right now you cannot see JSW Steel because there is selling pressure going on as of now in last 2 to 3 candles. But stock is holding 640 level, which was a breakout level. So here we also got rejection candle. So you can look for this trading opportunity. Okay, next opportunity now we will discuss in Bajaj Finance. Okay, this is the hourly time frame of Bajaj Finance. You can see the counter is in downtrend, a beautiful downtrend. Right now, you can see the price is completely moving sideways. So again, in the month of April, price is sideways. The range we got 4,850 on upside. On downside, support is placed around 4,350. You can also see this bullish divergence, classic bullish divergence on hourly time frame. We have this gap area. So I am expecting once this gap is taken out, this falling trend line will also be taken out. So it will be good long opportunity if we got close above 4,850 in hourly time frame. If price break 4,350 on downside, this down trend may continue further in coming trading session. So keep a close watch in these two counters, JSW Steel and Bajaj Finance.